2021. A hard year for every one of us. In the middle of the corona pandemic, we decided to take our first trip far away to Peru. A country we were not prepared for. But this land surprises us with beautiful landscapes, a fabulous culture, and unforgettable people. Probably everyone's journey through Peru, the place you might land and explore first is the capital, Lima. We spent 2 nights in this fabulous city and visited places like Miraflores and Plaza de Armas before heading to Cusco. Visiting Machu Picchu is a breathtaking experience which should be on your bucket list when visiting Cusco. Therefore, we had the privilege to make our way to Aguas Calientes with the iconic luxury train, the Urumbamba. Once you board it, it's just about 3.5 hours to Aguas Calientes, a charming small town next to Machu Picchu. Enjoy your time with some cocktails and having a delicious 3-course meal. After having a great time in Machu Picchu, we returned back to Cusco and relaxed the rest of the night, keeping those moments in our minds.
Tall buildings, as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
The next day we decided to have a private lunch with our chef in our hotel. After it we took a quad tour in Urumbamba, that's near Cusco. I would let the pictures speak for themselves. It was amazing.
2 hearts running wild.
After having a great time in Cusco and Urumbamba, we decided to fly back to Lima, where we did an excursion to Huacachina, that's an oasis in the middle of the desert. I would like to say thank you to everyone watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and a comment below if you want to have some extra informations. We are also on social media, on Instagram. Our links are down below in the description. Thank you very much.